Get up here unless he's got a chair close by.
All right, so.
All right, let's go.
4, 3, 2. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Rise by Stormcraft.
Hi, I am David, aka Doghouse David.
Today we're going to be bringing you some Would You Press the Button. Sorry, I said something out here. And this game is going to be for each of us to 5 points. And this is like, would you live forever, but sell all your exes and they will permanently stalk you. It's like you have a gift, but you also have a consequence for that gift. Would you press the button and accept that gift, or would you not press the button and not accept the consequences? So, here we go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot for the start.
Before we can do that, we need to explain the rules of the game.
Well, until the weather gets hotter, we're not going to have any consequences after the game is finished. Unlike most people that you see on YouTube doing the whole drinking or the challenges and all that stuff. But we're going to do it when it's hotter out, because right now it's like, what, 80-something out right now?
Yeah, it's not. For what we want to do, it's not warm enough.
Not yet. But anyway.
Pardon me, I got to scratch my nose, though. Okay.
But we each have 5 points. That's him 5, me 5.
Mm-hmm.
And if we get the question wrong, if we don't press the button, and more than 50% of people do press the button, then one of us will lose a point. If we press the button and people agree to that, then we don't lose a point. But now, shall we?
Let's get on with... Oh, one other thing.
Yes.
If there is a 50-50%, what we will do from there is we will go and look at the amount of people on the survey that will answer these questions. Whichever has the highest number wins. And that other person loses a point. So,
exactly.
From there, we're going to start the game. And we hope you enjoy this video. And this is called, Will You Press the Button? Okay, here we go. We're going to do rock, paper, scissors to find out who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors.
Shit! Alright. So we already read the question, and let's see here.
Here's the question for those that did not get the question yet, which I don't think we have because didn't know we were still recording. Okay. Okay, Matt, will you live forever? But so will all your exes, and they will permanently stalk you.
I like the Avery Luna DeLoss there saying, I don't have any exes, he. But here's the thing. I do have exes.
Do they live in Texas?
Oh, my exes live in... No, they don't, sadly. But that also means my 2 exes that I love dearly and lost to certain things would also be alive, and they would live forever. But the only thing is, if they would have lived forever, then I would never have lost them, and I would never have exes in the first place.
Correct.
I am thinking way too damn hard about this.
Make it simple, Matt. Go ahead and make the wrong answer so you can lose a point.
I will not. Ah, shoot.
Okay, his answer was wrong. 53% said yes, they would push the button, to 47% saying no, they would not push the button. Therefore, Matt lost the point.
I am now down to 4. Alright, next. Sorry.
Excuse you.
Yeah, excuse me.
Bathroom's down the hall.
You get 1 power you want, but you can't swim for the rest of your life. Sorry, that's in.
You get 1 power you want, but you can't swim for the rest of your life.
So you get to fly, you get to have super strength, all that stuff, or have invulnerability where you never get hurt, but you can never swim again.
Okay.
But here's the thing, if you have invulnerability, you don't have to worry about a damn thing. You can just walk through the water.
Yep, just walk across.
It's going to take you about 100 years to get to Japan walking through heavy water, but...
Yes. Okay, for this answer, I'm going to press yes. I will hit the button.
77% of people said yes, and only 23% said no.
And the comments are from Eric Frank, I can't swim anyways. From the next one, I can't get the power to swim, loophole. Okay. I do know how to swim, but It's not the biggest thing to worry about. Okay, you create a very successful multi-billion-dollar company, and you and all your employees become millionaires. But all of your employees die at the age of 56, no matter what. But it is painless and of unknown causes.
Huh. Multi-billion-dollar company. I'm trying to also think of what the money-grubbing people would. Because it doesn't say I would die at age 56. Next retirement age 60. But no, if I ran a company, I would also invest that millions of dollars into trying to figure out why my people are getting hurt. Or why they're dying. And if my employees become millionaires, I would tell them, get the hell out of this workplace before the age of 56 so you actually freaking live. If that actually
That or they're trying to kill each other to...
Okay, that worked. Sorry about that. That was my Sony Vegas trying to download. We just got that today. But, yeah, I think I'll press the button. We got some of those people out there. Woo!
He got it right. 74% said yes. 26% said no. They wouldn't push the button.
Dallas Juan says, just don't get close to your employees and there's no downside. But what about those bosses that like to screw around with their secretaries?
Yeah.
Backs?
Hey, they're here. I'll slip you $500,000. Just be quiet. Oh, are you talking about Bill Clinton? I didn't have sex with him.
Now, here's the thing. He lied about it. But here's another thing. What guy would not lie about cheating on his wife? What guy walks up to his wife and goes, I'm sorry, baby, I cheated on you. There is no guy in the world that does that. I am sorry.
There are the ones that will do that and not care.
Well, yeah, they don't care, but there's no caring guy that says, I am so sorry. It just slipped in.
Today, honey, I went and boinked this girl, and hey, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, baby. I just fell over and inserted.
You might as well send that guy to the Jerry Springer Show or Maury Povich.
Something like that. All right, for you now, I think, or is it me? Yeah, it's for you.
For me.
You can be with anyone you want, but you never have a stable relationship lasting longer than a year.
Okay, you can have anybody you want, which means anybody in the world, but
you
never have a stable relationship lasting longer than a year. Well, obviously you must be doing something wrong for this lady to up and leave you, or you get tired of them, or they just don't like you, and hey, relationship's over in a year. Maybe they didn't fit what your lifestyle is, what you like to do for hobbies.
But here's also a thing for those players out there. You damn well sure know a player would press that button.
Ooh, they'd be all of that like a hot stick. Yeah, in a fire.
It's like, okay, I get to screw around with Pamela Anderson, Jennifer Lawrence, Megan Fox, Beyonce, all those nice looking women, and I don't have to stay with them. And I get to say, no.
Yes, but for those true people that are looking for love, then yes, they would not press the button. They would want somebody loyal.
Look at this. Cough, cough. Taylor Swift, cough, cough. Someone wants to doink the blondie.
And some don't. And there, on that comment, there's 55 thumbs up. I'm going to say I will not press the button.
But here's also the thing. Taylor Swift, okay, they just want to become another song about that Taylor Swift sings about so they can become famous. That's what they want.
Gotcha.
Not press the button. 60% said no. 40% said yes. So you got that one correct.
Yes, David still stays in the lead. Sorry about that, Matt. Anyway, Matt, 100% world peace lasting forever. But every technological advancement is in the last 200 years is reverted, and we have lost all knowledge of them.
Well, I'm sorry to those that have made a living on YouTube and everything else, but if it meant world peace lasting forever, you get to see all the world's technological advancements come back over 200 years, but you would also have world peace lasting forever. We go back to the point where there was no cars, the ozone layer wasn't freaking screwed up, and back where freaking people actually respected each other, and not nowadays where you have gangsters with pants down around their ass calling themselves gangsters when actual gangsters in the mob would actually kill you. They just talk about it. So I hate to say it, I would press the button. I take a point hit. Well, guess what? I don't care.
He was wrong again.
Down to 3.
Down to 3. 51% said they would not push the button to the 49% that said they would. Next question.
So here's the thing. 51% of people like these too much, like computers too much, like vehicles too much, and they can't live without their cars. Try living the way I grew up. I didn't get a game system or a phone until I was a freaking teenager.
Yep. And nowadays, kids that are 7, 8, 9 years old have cell phones. Why? The parents think that, oh, they can have cell phones so they can keep in contact with mommy. No, ladies and gentlemen, what they do behind their backs, mama will not know because they're so up to date in the technology, they know how to get around it. So, therefore, watch your children no matter what.
All right. You get access to the legendary Goat Tower, but they will eat your unlimited breadsticks. I don't even know this question either.
Yeah.
Do we just skip the question since you and I both don't know?
I'm gonna swing for the fence and just press the button. Don't know
it's
exactly.
A swing and you actually knocked it out of the park, barely.
Thank you.
I have a question. Why are you doing this for baseball?
It was just a stir of the moment. Sorry about that, football fans. I know I just made an idiot of myself just now. Oops. Sorry.
God almighty. Okay. Your question for me.
Your life will be long, and you will remain wealthy and in good health for the entire duration of it, but you cannot remember happy things from your past or your future life.
So my life will be long, and I will remain wealthy and in good health for the entire duration of it, but I can't remember happy things from your past or your future life. Okay, one, how would you remember anything from your future life?
Because you haven't got there yet.
And I don't know damn shit from 3 minutes ago, so...
True. Like me, my memory is about as slim as it... Oh! Well, about that question, Matt, there, just for those that are keeping tally of the score, Matt just lost another life. He said, push the button. Well, that only got him 33%, but those that said, no way, got 67%. Oops!
I need to come back and bad.
Could you please update everyone on what the score is currently?
5-2. And they'll see it down in the corner, so.
I am taking much pleasure in enjoying this because Matt has been leading in this game
the last three
games, so I'm being joyful that I'm going to get out of this funk of being scoring a big fat 0, so let's go. Keep it up. Your question.
You become a superhero with whatever powers you want, but you have to wear the costume everywhere you go and can't prove that you are, in fact, a superhero. You can't prove that you are a superhero, but you become a superhero with whatever powers you want. And you have to keep the damn costume on.
Most people, when you walk down a street, unless you're some famous person with your superhero power on, they're going to look at you like, what is going through that gentleman's or lady's brain to wear that in public, knowing that they cannot, leap over a tall building in a single bound, or they can just sock a wall and then just fall to pieces. I'm going to say I will not push the button. I don't want to be ridiculed knowing that I can't do what I want to do, even though I want to be a superhero. Yeah, it ain't for me.
Just walk into a Walmart in a superhero clothes and cape, going in the bathroom in a urinal, just...
Yeah.
And all you see is one guy walking by you, just... What the hell?
Okay, Superman, he thinks he can jump over a building.
So
okay, let's see that. I am not going to press the button.
All right. You just lost the point. Woo!
Really? Oh,
the comeback, ladies and gentlemen.
There are 68% people that said they would push the button for this, and 32% said they would not.
Never fear, normal clothed man is here. Exactly. Wow.
All right. We have some more nerdy people out there than we expected.
Do you realize how freaking easy this question is?
Really? Would you have an apartment that you want, but you would have to have a dog?
What's the downside?
Gee, I don't know. I can have my doggy. Oh, you're a best companion when you don't have nobody?
So I can have my Alaskan Husky German Shepherd mix?
Yeah. And you got a pal that you can scream at, talk, lose your frustration on, and he'll still love you no matter what. And he will still feel that there's something wrong with you. So, hand in hand, it's a good thing.
And the sad part is that I love dogs anyway, so...
Exactly. There you go. Alrighty. Next question.
If you want to, you can get the next.
Alright.
Right there.
Since I'm right here, I'm going to go ahead and push this little guy right here.
That was the easiest question in the world.
Okay, Matt.
You will become the most intelligent person in the world, but you are not able to interact with your environment. So that means you're an intelligent man in the world. But
I'm the smartest person in the world, but I become a dum-dum because I can't interact with anybody in the environment.
I know how to cure...
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I will not push the button.
Oh, wait. I forgot to deduct your 1 point that you missed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like to talk to everybody, even if I don't even know them. Complete strangers.
I will not. You lived.
Yes. 67% said they would not press the button. That is 47,432 people to a 33%. You can do practically anything you want illegally or otherwise and get away with it. But this is only because you trapped in the same 24-hour loop for eternity, and everything resets the next day, including everyone's memories.
Now, here's the thing. This is another question for the folks that are players. Because you can do whatever you want for 24 hours, and you can keep doing it over and over and over and not get tired of it.
Right. And you can be like the Men in Black. Look into the flashy thing, please.
And for this one, I'm not going to press the button because I don't want to be stuck in the same 24-hour loop for eternity. It'd be doing this, uploading it, and getting nowhere.
So true. Woo! And he gets away with it, ladies and gentlemen, with a 56% over that 44. All right.
All right.
Here goes.
You can kill anyone, but the person's ghost will chase you.
Push the button. They can chase me all day long. We run down the street, around the corner, around the block. Holy crappy moly.
The comeback, people. The comeback could be real.
65% said they would not press the button because I guess they're afraid of ghosts. Watch out, Ghostbusters. You don't have to worry about it because they're not going to need your help. Oh, Lordy.
Now I actually do believe in ghosts, and I do believe that there are good ones and bad ones. So,
hey, watch your back. You never know. Oh, here's a good one for Matt. You will be a god, but nobody will know if you really exist.
Well, nobody knows if that god exists.
So that big chest out there got him a 68% press the button to the 32% that said they would not push the button. So therefore, his little chest sticking out there got him a victory. Damn it.
Now here's the thing, though. No one really knows if the God up there exists, because no one knows what happens after you go 6 feet under. No one's ever gone 6 feet under, died, and said, oh my God, I saw the pearly gates, oh my God, I saw God, because you don't know if that person really is seeing them, or just having a freaking dream.
No, that's the devil down there poking in the butt saying, pick me, pick me.
Excuse me, I need some friends.
I'm bored down here. Oh boy.
You acquire any DVDs you have ever wanted, even before they come out, aka piracy, but they each have one part where they skip as if the DVD had a scratch.
Well, here's the thing. A lot of time I don't have time to watch TV, watch video, movies. I try to stay active outside, whether it's mowing lawns, doing scrap work that I do, or, you know, taking care of horses for my father and my mother. I'm just too busy being outside. So therefore, this question here would not pertain to me, but I had to think logically of what the public would do. And in this one, I think they can get over the little scratch into the CD, so I'm going to press the button.
AKA your fiance and all that, and they like to watch movies and all that stuff.
All day long if they could. Wow.
For those of you who don't know, the score is now 2-2. The comeback was real.
And that was a big swing and a miss.
By 7%, so you missed it by 7 inches. It was like right there.
Oh, just like when I played that game at Walmart trying to grab a toy and totally miss.
Okay.
You become an amazing secret agent with the power to do great things. But no matter how hard you try, there will always be someone you cannot save.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy. So, question, if I'm also trying to save the bad guys, like when sometimes I go off building, you see that one person grabbing on their arm trying to make them come to have that little come to Jesus meeting, I can always say, well, guess what, I can't save you, let you go. I guess I'll press the button.
And he gets it right with a 65% yes to a 35% no. All right, Matt, we're still tied up.
You receive a large amount of any drug of your choice, but you're only allowed to give it away with no profit.
Okay, what would be the logic thing of getting all this drugs just so I give it out to everybody else and I don't get anything for it other than making them happy and making them high as a kite? Well, grocery stores wouldn't mind because they're going to be taking and getting all that money from them. They're getting the munchies. Jesus, what do you do with this one?
Speaking of munchies.
Speaking of munchies, yeah. Way to go there, Matt. You got your little puffies. Cheetah puffs. All right. Oof. This is a tough one. I'm going to say press the button. It's going to be a long shot.
Nope.
Strike three. Dang it.
Well, any strike 3, technically strike 2. You have one more strike left to go.
Oh, one more strike. Okay.
The comeback, people. I was down by so much, and
not on the same wavelength with everybody else out there in the public world, I guess. Okay, you can solve the world's problems, but you will be assassinated.
Thank you.
What the heck? Give him a nice one and I get the, up your butt one? What the hell? Alright, I guess that's the way it goes.
Now, here's my thing about that. You can solve the world's problems, but you will be assassinated. AKA JFK, anybody? Or Martin Luther King?
And, yeah, that's true too.
I can solve all the world's problems, and then once they're all solved, bang, someone shoots me dead. At least I know I died doing something right.
As for the comments, there's one by Driver Joe. It means you turn into an ass.
Since assassinate isn't a real word. It's true, they did not spell assassinate right.
Exactly. Check your spelling before you put the information in the computer.
The sad part is, I said assassinated, I didn't really see assassinated. Like, this is how my brain thought of that ahead of time.
Most people do, they just overlook it because, unfortunately, they don't have a dictionary to check out their spelling of the words. Get it? Dictionary?
And it's Webster's, too. You can fly, but you'll be ugly.
Here's the question. Answer this question. You could fly, but you'd be ugly. For Matt, yes. Why? Because he don't like to fly and has never flown. So he don't even want to think about getting into a jet to go for a long distance trip. But he has taken the reins by the horn and said, yes, I will try it out.
One time. And
see that just that one time. But could you could fly, but you'd be ugly.
I could just fly 3 feet off the ground. If I run out of petrol juice, I just plop 3 feet. There you go. I don't go 1,000 feet in the air and go, whee!
I don't care if you go up 3 feet in the air, you go down there and go, whee! And plack, and still look ugly. Because you're going to hit that pavement, it ain't going to feel too good.
I already look ugly now.
Oh, no, you did not go. Just go there!
Well, this is your question, not mine.
This is just for humor, folks. We're not trying to pick on people that are
like me. I mean, you could be amazing looking on the outside, but still ugly on the inside. It's all right here.
Right here, ladies and gentlemen. Right here. Right here. As long as that heart is good as gold, you're just A-okay in our book. Okay, I would say I would push the button.
You can fly, but you'd be ugly. You know what? Just by the skin.
Oh! Woo! Yes, there's a dog nipping on my booty. Yes, there is. That was a close one. Holy crap-a-moly. Oops. That was close.
32,000 to 31,000.
You become a superhero with amazing superpowers, but you are constantly sleep deprived and cannot make good decisions.
So, basically, I'm the way I am now, just with powers.
Did you mean the Iron Man? Question mark. 105 people said like.
Oh!
Oh! Yes!
Strike 2. We're down to our last strike here.
We're down to our last strike, and we're at the bottom of the ninth. And here's the question.
You become sexy, but 3 years later, you become stupid and ugly.
Well, that went from hero to zero. Okay.
But you get to be gorgeously sexy for 3 years. So that means you have women flaunting over 3 years. You get married, they get bigger, you get bigger.
And then all of a sudden you turn to mush and you don't give a crap. Push the button.
Oh, God. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. No.
Oh!
The comeback was real.
Oh! I can't believe it. I just got shot down. Strike 3. You're out. Back to the dugout. Well, that sucked. But anyway, moving on. Let's first, giggles, let's see what Matt's next question would have been. You have the ability to turn invisible, but only in complete darkness.
My brain will not go there for that joke. But if I become invisible, but only in darkness, that means at nighttime I can go bye and become Nightcrawler. I guess I'd press the button. I'd keep myself safe.
Alright, so here's the story I lost. I would take it in the shorts. Alright.
That is now 4.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, these comments. The first one is, that's called being black.
That's the joke I was not going to do.
parenthesis, I'm so sorry, capital letters.
It's fine.
It's fine. It's only a joke.
Good God. That is the joke I was not going to say. I was not going to say this, but it says it right freaking here.
Somebody was reading your mind and said it out loud for you. So there you go. But we're not being racist. We're just reading the comments. So as for this video, I'm a loser. 4-0. So I must need some heavy thinking power in the next one. Down the line.
You started off really good, and then it just went...
I just went... Yeah. But if you like to play this game, feel free to go to willyoupressthebutton.com, and you can play along with some family members and enjoy these questions and trivia to find out if you match the people's answers that they have said by this survey.
If you match the world's population, good on you. If you don't, well, you can do 5 points like me and him. Or you can just do it for craps and giggles. But anyway, we hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you're new. And as always, I hope you enjoyed and have a pleasant day. Wherever you are, pleasant night. I don't know, but have a good one. Anything to say before you go?
Please press that like button. Feel free to put in comments. And hit that subscribe button. And we'll have a whole lot more down the road. So long.